Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a short road trip, should be a one-day trip to Waihi to attend the Beach Hop event. It's a car event that is mainly aimed for American muscle cars. So there's probably going to be a parade and a whole bunch of different American muscle cars around there. So it should be a fun trip. So we have a GT4 that is doing this trip with me as well. So it should be a fun trip. So we are very lucky to be able to park at a friend of a friend's house on the front lawn. This is the starting point of the parade. So we're basically at the best spot right here. So that's the parade right there. It's gonna start and there are more cars coming, and we're parked right here. So you see the GT350 and all these Porsches. So you can see there are more cars coming to line up for the parade. So this is the starting point of the parade. The parade should start soon. You have all these amazing American cars coming to line up, and once they're ready, I think around half an hour's time, they will start the parade. So let's go have a look at some of these cars. Well, so most of these cars are American muscle cars and classics. Got the Fords, the Camaros, the Mustangs, you name it. Amazing. Got this nice looking Cobra right here. Wow, really good. In blue color. That's really cool. Wow, look at this black Mustang. Amazing. We've got some hot rods as well. Look at that. Wow, so we got some of the classic bikes here too. The biking community is also involved. That's really cool to see.
like hippies, huh?
Woo!
London on the plate.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked the parade and also seeing all these different American classics and muscle cars. It's a really nice event today here with a lot of participation, and it's really great to see all these car enthusiasts come together to celebrate the American cars. We have a really great car community and culture here in New Zealand, so hope we can keep this event going for years to come. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like. See you next time.